So hopefully we're going to be able to see. So, yep, we'll put the window down here in a second. So I got home, pulled in the driveway, but before I pulled in the driveway, that tire pressure, service tire pressure monitor system came on. And I don't have any tire monitor system that I'm aware of. So I shut it off and immediately tried to turn it on and got nothing. See, there you go. I turned the key, nothing happens. Doesn't show anything in the gas. And this is what happened before. If no rhyme or reason, just come out here, go to start it, and nothing comes on. So I'm not sure, but let it go 15 minutes or so, then it might turn over. That's what I would do in the past. I'd just jiggle the key, something, anything, and every once in a while, I'll put the key in and turn it over, and I'll see fuel. The gauge will start working. So this is the problem I thought was maybe related to the ground. But apparently you changed a couple of them. I don't know. So just let you know what's up with this goofy thing, as I could never prove it, because whenever I would take it somewhere. So you can see I'm just trying to turn it over and nothing. So, and you got fresh brand new battery in it, so it's not the battery. Alrighty, thanks.